US President Donald Trump has said negotiations between Washington and Tehran are entering a crucial phase, warning that the United States could take tougher steps if Iran refuses to agree to a deal. Speaking to reporters at Joint Base Andrews before traveling to Connecticut, Trump said the talks were nearing completion. He stated that Iran now faces two options: either accept an agreement or face consequences that he described as potentially nasty. However, he added that he hoped tensions would not escalate further. What did Trump say about Israel? During the interaction, Trump also spoke about Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, saying Netanyahu would support his decisions regarding the region. He described the Israeli leader as an effective wartime prime minister and claimed he was not being treated fairly within Israel. Trump also made light-hearted remarks about his popularity in Israel, joking that he could contest for the post of prime minister there. The US president went on to compare the current Iran situation with previous American military engagements in Vietnam, Afghanistan, Iraq and Korea. He pointed out that the ongoing conflict involving Iran has lasted only 3 months so far, with much of that period under a ceasefire arrangement. Trump argued that earlier wars resulted in heavy casualties for the United States, while recent operations had caused significantly fewer losses. He further claimed that Iran had been severely weakened and said the coming years would bring major developments for America. Iran calls for diplomacy. Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian responded by stressing the importance of dialogue over confrontation. In a message posted on X, Pezeshkian said Iran had honored its commitments and remained open to diplomatic solutions. He added that pressure tactics would not force Tehran into surrender and maintained that mutual respect offered a more stable and lasting path than war.